Jude's stuck. Kane's pushing the whole car with Jude in it. Oh my gosh. He got him unstuck. Yep, he got him. He got you unstuck, big boy.
Nolan! Nolan!
Wade, what are you doing, buddy?
I'm gonna tag to my remote control truck and pull out my loose teeth.
You're gonna try to pull out your...
Whoa! Are you okay? Are you okay? Look at me. Turn around. Oh, you're turning around? Good girl. I love you. Oh my goodness! What happened? Are you under here?